I've been here 50 years ago as a postdoc. It was my first experience out of my own country. So it was, I don't want to call it a shock, but something very, very exciting. And what does it mean? It means great to come back. At that time, it wasn't even Carnegie Mellon. It was just Mellon. And within that year, it was unified. So now I'm getting a honorary degree from a place that I was and a place that became where I was. Very exciting. Right? Everything was new for me, although I already had a PhD and I thought that I know science. Things were different and challenging, very, very challenging. I think that I learned a lot. I have one advice, just one advice. You want to hear it? Don't look for advices. Do what you feel is good for you, that you can contribute, that you can find yourself, that you can add, that you love. Don't look for other people's. Not always something to repeat.